Good evening. How are you all? Welcome to your English language class. In my last class, I have finished lesson 14, and there I have given you some homework. And some of you have sent me back the homework also. I have corrected it. There is no mistake. Okay. So now let's continue lesson number 15, past continuous tense. This is page number 56. Okay. Now, continuous tense you have already done previously. That was present continuous tense. That is, the verb had to be in present form. Understand you all? That means जो भी है वो प्रेजेंट में रहेगा, पास्ट में नहीं रहेगा. और यहाँ पर सेम थिंग, लेकिन verb will be in past tense, means something which has already been done, something which has already been finished, something which has already been over. Okay, so like you have learned about present, past participle. So from there you can pick out the past part of the verb and you can use in this sentence. Let's see the examples given sentences. I was eating an apple when the telephone rang. Children, just observe was past tense, eat. Now you can say why it has written eat. Good question. But the matter is, as because was has been used, this is a be verb. Right, what is this? This is a be verb. This is a be verb. Okay, so when the be verb is given in past tense and the action is telling about what was going on at that time, उस वक्त क्या हो रहा था, तब तब की बात, तब वो प्रेजेंट था, लेकिन अब वो पास्ट है क्योंकि वो काम अब खत्म हो चुका है. तब वो काम हो रहा था तो तब वो प्रेजेंट था. इसीलिए तब के सिचुएशन को बताने के लिए दे हैव रिटन ईटिंग. समझ में आई मेरी बात? बट हियर इट हैज बीन रैंग. व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट ऑफ रैंग? रिंग, ring, rang, rung. So this is rang. समझ में आई? Now next, we were. I was singular, so be verb was. We are plural, so it is were. Were is also past tense. Again, waiting. Just now I have told you eating. That time the work was going on, so it is waiting. We were waiting at the bus stop when the bus arrived. Again past tense. मतलब हम लोग बस स्टॉप पर इंतज़ार कर रहे थे जब बस आया. Understand? The word in both the verbs that are in past continuous tense. A sentence with a singular noun or pronoun uses was plus verb plus ing. Was प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी कब यूज होता है? जब सेंटेंस इज इन सिंगुलर नाउन और सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. अंडरस्टैंड? लाइक आई वॉज रीडिंग, द फार्मर वॉज वर्किंग, लाइक दैट. ओके, व्हेन द सेंटेंस इज ए प्लूरल नाउन और प्रोनाउन वी यूज वेयर प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. Like Deblina and her family were playing. The people were enjoying. Now people is a plural word. बहुत सारे लोगों को एक जगह पर खड़े हों तो वहाँ पे people कहते हैं. The sentence with the pronoun you uses were plus verb plus ing, although it is a singular pronoun. Sentence जो you से start होगा उसमें भी were, verb प्लस आई एन जी ऐड होगा. यू समटाइम्स इज यूज सिंगुलर एंड समटाइम्स इट इज यूज इन प्लूरल, सो दैट्स वाई यू इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड एज प्लूरल. यू वेर ईटिंग, यू वेर स्लीपिंग. इट कैन बी वन, इट कैन बी मोर. सो इफ इट विल बी मोर, सो वी हैव टू यूज प्लूरल. Understand? Now let's see some continuous examples. Here see some examples have been given like where, was, where, was, where, was, where. You can see in all the sentences was is used when it is in singular form and where is used when it is in plural form. सिंगुलर में जब है वॉज यूज हो रहा है, प्लूरल में जब है वेर यूज हो रहा है. समझ में आई मेरी बात? नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, दिस मच I believe this much is clear. I have given you examples. I have explained it to you. Now we are going to do the exercise. Radha was baking. Radha singular, इसलिए इसके साथ आएगा was. Radha was baking a cake when Pooja came in. Next, Mahesh and Reena, two people. That means that is in plural. क्या होगा? Mahesh and Reena, because it is in plural, so it will be were. और take के साथ क्या होगा? Taking a walk last Sunday. The school, अच्छा, this is classwork. The school was closing on Friday for Christmas. Bhola was running a race in the school sports day when he fell down and hurt himself. Sneha and Sunil too were preparing for the exam last night. You, I told you, when you are going to use you, it will be were plus verb plus ing. So यहाँ क्या होगा? You were playing the piano at the function when the lights went off. J means one person was looking sad when he heard that his brother was ill. We, plural, were asking the teacher some questions when the bell rang. Understand? Now, here in number B, sentence has already been given. What do you have to do? You have to use be verb and continuous form. That is, you have to add ing. Singular होगा तो was, plural होगा तो were. Understand? So A I have done, B you will do as your homework. And there ends your exercise. Okay? So this will be your homework. Do it and send it to me. Okay children? Thank you.